I've nearly completed 31 days of my self-isolation and social distancing. Onwards and upwards. And we can do this. These baby steps are becoming big strides. Wow. I'm a third of the way there. And together we can do this. And today, thankfully, the weather was gloomy and it was cloudy. So I didn't want to go out, didn't have the urge to go outside because I am isolating after all. But it made it easier today. So what better excuse to stay indoors today when it's rainy and when it's cloudy traditionally in our family and generally in the Pakistani Indian subcontinent culture, you make pakoras. So today I've made some pakoras with some chutney. And I've made some chutney. And I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you make this recipe, and I'll be very grateful if you could like, comment, share the recipe amongst your friends and subscribe to my channel. The weather's cloudy and it's gloomy, and so that only means one thing. It's pakora time. Looking forward to making some pakoras today. So what follows after this is my take on how to make pakoras. We'll need some potatoes. We'll need some onions, some fresh spinach. We're going to peel and cut these, and then we'll show you what we can do next. Put peeled and cut potatoes into a bowl. I'm going to put in some cut spinach. Then some onions. To this we're going to add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of ajwain seeds, optional, but I love them with my pakoras. Half a teaspoon of jeera, which is called, can't remember what it's called now. It's called cumin seeds. My God, I had a brain fade there. Also going to add some anardana, pomegranate seeds. Gives that nice tangy flavour. To this I'm adding 2 cups of besan powder. Basically it's ground chickpeas. I'm also adding half a cup of plain flour. It's not necessary, but I like my pakoras to be crunchy, and this gives it that little bit of a crunch. Crack 1 egg. And give it a little bit of a mix before I put some water in. So it's evenly. Something, I'm going to use my hands. I think it's better. Get messy, it's good. Give it a mix. I'm going to gradually put some water in. This is about, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a cup in there, because you don't want it too thin. This is the mixture is ready. Some people like more besan powder in there. You can add that, but I like it like this, not too much. And people also put some baking powder in to make them a bit more fluffy. I don't prefer them fluffy. I like them nice and crispy. So this is the sort of consistency that I like. There's nothing quite like chutney, homemade chutney to go with pakoras. And I'm going to pick some of my homegrown mint, garden mint, and make some chutney. I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to pick some of my homegrown mint for some chutney. I'm growing my own spring onions as well, so I'll show you what I'm going to do with this some other time. The chutney that's going to accompany the pakoras will be made from some garlic, the mint that I picked earlier, a tomato, some coriander. I froze this because I can't go to shop all the time, so just before the lockdown I bought a lot and I put them in the freezer. And also I'm going to put some red chilies in there. I've got my favourite chutney making jug out, I've got these tomatoes. I'm going to put some garlic, some coriander, the mint, some chili, including the seeds. There's no chutney without hot chilies in there, and without seeds there's no point putting them in because you don't get that kick. And then I'm going to just blast these with my zit. Going to put half a cup of Aryan. Get that, this natural yogurt drink. I love that in my chutney. And this is my trusty zit. Let's zit away. I think that's just about done now. Wow. Oh wow. Look at that. To this I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt. No, I think I put 4 in, just for good measure. And then we'll put in about a teaspoon of salt and give it a stir. Wow, let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, oh yes, that's going to go down well. I'm going to have some more. Go down well with some of these pakoras. My kadai is on the hob now. The oil is getting heated, and when it's heated up, we're going to start making the pakoras. Woohoo! Put in a tester to see how hot the oil is. I'd say a minute or so, should be ready. We've got a floater, so it's working. The oil is hot enough. Put them in from the sides so it doesn't make a splash. You don't want to get oil splashes. I'm going to cook these now until they're brown. I'm going to stir them, turn them over, and should be ready in about a minute or two. You give it a stir. They've started browning now. Not long to go. Yeah, keep stirring them and turning them over. Wow, looking good, looking good. Okay, they're ready. Let's take them out. Shake excess oil out. Ready for the next batch. Second batch is nearly ready to come out as well. Wow, they're ready now. Ready to take out. Happy days. Can't wait to get them onto the table and eat them. Third batch going in now. Wow, look at that. I'm going to put that chutney to go with it. Wow, it's going to be great. I hope you liked my pakora recipe. I'm grateful if you could like, comment, share amongst your friends, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. It'd be great. To my fellow staycationists and self-isolationists, can I pronounce that word? Stay strong, stay safe and stay healthy, and together with each other's support we can get through this coronavirus crisis and come out smiling on the other side. Until tomorrow, have a good one. Bye bye.